Hi guys, Carl with Panama City Beach MarineMax. Today I got the pleasure of showing you a 2025 Aviara 32, new on our floor, beautiful boat. We'll step inside and show you what we have. Alright guys, starting in the rear of the boat, the Aviara 32 is powered by twin 300 Mercuries. Plenty of horsepower to get this boat on plane and to get you to where you want to go. Really nice concept here. A lot of seating. You got a lot of room here for a lot of people entertaining or to make it a nice day on the water with family. 3 across in the rear, 3 of the adjustable seats here, bar top style. And as we make our way into the cockpit, you'll see L-shaped seating throughout. Plenty of seating. The boat is equipped with a sink. There is an option for a grill here as well, and you have a refrigerator down below. High performance stereo system, and as we make our way to the helm, another nice feature here that Aviara provides you, all of your boat controls are electronic. So this screen to the left will have everything from sound system to lighting and to accessories, all electronically done. Joystick JPO, and then you hit Simrad systems and your engine monitoring systems as well. Making our way forward into the bow, again more seating, just more room for more people if you again want to make it a great day. A lot of space here, a spacious boat, a lot to do. They build this boat in a 28-foot 32 like we're on today, a 36 and a 40. We have a 32 here in stock here at Panama City Beach MarineMax. My name's Carl. Come and see me. I'd love to show it to you.